Changes in the color of your teeth may be subtle and happen gradually. Some yellow color may be inevitable. Your first plan of action should be to brush your teeth more often and in the correct manner. It's especially important that you brush after consuming foods and drinks that can lead to yellow teeth. If you're looking to whiten your teeth, you do some home remedies that we are going to share. In this video we will share 6 home remedies to get your teeth back in good condition. If you are new on this channel, make sure to subscribe and turn the bell notification on, so let's get started. Number 1. Eating fruits and vegetables with a higher water content. Eating raw fruits and vegetables with a high water content can help to keep your teeth healthy. The water content is thought to cleanse your teeth and gums of plaque and bacteria that lead to yellow teeth. Number 2. Coconut oil pulling. Coconut oil pulling is said to remove plaque and bacteria from the mouth, which helps to whiten teeth. Always shop for a high-quality, organic oil that doesn't contain harmful ingredients. Swish 1 to 2 teaspoons of liquid coconut oil in your mouth for 10 to 30 minutes. Don't let the oil touch the back of your throat. Don't swallow the oil as it contains toxins and bacteria from your mouth. Spit it into the toilet or a waste paper basket, as it could clog drains. Rinse your mouth with water and then drink a full glass of water. Then brush your teeth. Number 3. Baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Using a paste made of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide is said to remove plaque buildup and bacteria to get rid of stains. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide to make a paste. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with water after brushing with this paste. You can also use the same ratio of ingredients to make a mouthwash. If you are enjoying this video, then press the subscribe button. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can be used in very small amounts to whiten teeth. Make a mouthwash by mixing 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar with 6 ounces of water. Swish the solution for 30 seconds. Then rinse with water and brush your teeth. Number 5. Lemon, orange, or banana peels. Rubbing lemon, orange, or banana peels on your teeth will make them whiter. It's believed that the compound D-limonene and/or citric acid, which is found in some citrus fruit peels, will help to whiten your teeth. Gently rub the fruit peels on your teeth for about 2 minutes. Make sure to thoroughly rinse out your mouth and brush your teeth afterward. Number 6. Activated charcoal. You can use activated charcoal to remove stains from your teeth. It's believed that charcoal can remove pigments and stains from your teeth because it's highly absorbent. It helps to get rid of bacteria and toxins in the mouth. I hope that this video will be helpful for you. Thank you.